Hi folks, I'm Mark Johnson, and we are almost wrapping up a job down here in Armstrong, Iowa, where we stained this log home, which is actually got log siding on it, but anyhow, did a lot of caulking on it, and used up 15 gallons of stain and ran out. I think we're gonna have enough left to do the front porch wall. And over here we've got
You guys don't got the broom, right? You guys don't have the broom?
anyhow, we're just cleaning up, getting a good idea on how much more stain we need to buy. We didn't get all of the deck done back here, but we finished the house, and what else did we do? We got got a little chunk of fascia replaced up there, and we did some repair work on this log over here and the fascia up above that, let's see, I guess the other side of the house is no big deal. We did not get to this little chunk of deck over here, since we wanted to get focus more on the house work. But now that I know how much is left to do, I'll order some stain and we'll get that over here, and we'll complete it next week. So anyhow, the railing had some issues where when it got pressure washed, some of the stain came off completely. So there's a couple of spots here and there where that happened, and we may have to go over and do those when we come back. We'll see what the customer thinks of it. So anyway, that's it for the Armstrong, Iowa project.